Hello crochet lovers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this cozy cowl for winter. It's very pretty and easy for beginners also. So let's start. I'm going to use 6mm crochet hook and baby bee yarn, pink multi. I am going to start with chain 4, one, 2, 3 and 4. Insert your hook into the first chain and slip stitch, and we have a little ring here, and chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Insert your hook into the ring, yarn over and make 3 double crochets into the ring. One, two, three, and chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then make 3 more double crochets into the ring. It's like a granny square. It's like a half granny square, and now chain 1 and make 1 more double crochet into the ring. And this is the end of the first row. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and turn. Make 3 double crochets into the first space. Chain 1 and make 3 double crochets and chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then 3 more double crochets into the chain 3 space. Chain 1 and 3 double crochets into the chain 1 space, and then chain 1, make 1 more double crochet into the first same space. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and turn. Make 3 double crochets into the chain 1 space. Two and 3, chain 1 and make 3 double crochets into the next space. Chain 1, 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 more double crochets into the same space, chain 1 and 3 double crochets into the next space, chain 1, and this is our last space, and we are going to make 3 double crochets chain 1 and 1 double crochet. This is the end of the third row. We are going to go chain 4 and turn 3 double crochets into the first space, chain 1 and jump into the next space and make 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets into the next space. It's like a granny square, but you're just going through the halfway, okay? And chain 3 space, make 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. I made 4 rows. Repeat the same pattern, and I'm going to give you the exact measurements of this neck warmer. I finished 14 rows, 13 and a half inches and 35 centimeters, and this size also 24 inches and 62 centimeters. I'm going to join this 2 sides together, so I'm going to hold 2 ends together, and I'm going to insert both spaces, insert my hook and make 1 single crochet, then chain 1. This counts as double crochet, so I'm going to insert my hook again and make 1 more double crochet. I'm going to make 1 more double crochet into the same space, and then we have 3 double crochets, okay? And I'm going to go into the next space and make 3 double crochets. And jump into the next space and make 3 double crochets. I'm going to make 3 double crochets into every space. Now I'm middle of my work, so I'm going to make 2 double crochets into the middle space. And I'm going to go on making 3 double crochets all the spaces all the way around. I finished my row. Slip stitch into the chain 1. We are going to go up with chain 2. Then we are going to make front post and back post double crochets, yarn over, and insert your hook around the next double crochet, then make double crochet. This is front post double crochet and yarn over, insert your hook from back around the double crochet, then make double crochet. This is back post double crochet, and go on again, front post double crochet, and back post double crochet, front and back, front and back, go on like this all the way around and meet me back. I am at the end of my row. Back post double crochet last time, and then I'm going to join from the first front post double crochet, make chain 2 again. This is just for to go up, yarn over and make front post double crochet into the front post double crochet and back post double crochet into the back post double crochet. This is the classic brim you can use for every hats and necks also, and this is stretchy also. Go on a couple of rows and meet me back. I finished my cowl. I've made 1, 2, 3 more rows. I'm going to add shell stitch for the border, but you can add fringes, tassels, whatever you want. I'm going to start here, make a slip knot, join with a single crochet, and then jump into the next space and make 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and make single crochet into the next space. That's the easiest border ever and very suitable for granny stitches, granny squares and blankets. make 6 double crochets into the next space. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And single crochet into the next space, and then six double crochets, four, 5 and 6. Yeah, this is the best idea for me. Make this shell stitch all the way around, and I'm going to show you how to make this space also. Now I'm into the corner space, but I'm going to show you how to make shell stitch into the corner. I made one shell right before the corner space, and I'm going to make single crochet into the corner, then yarn over and make half double crochet, then 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3, and make 1 half double crochet, and finally make 1 single crochet and finish. Yeah, that's the corner shell. After the single crochet, we are going to make 6 double crochets. After the single crochet, we are going to make 6 double crochets. Go on and complete this row. And this is how it looks. Final result. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button for notifications. See you next videos. Bye.